Welcome to CIC News July 23, 2012. Web-connected industrial controls stoke security fears. Until a few days ago, anyone who had done a bit of digging into the security of industrial control systems could have reached into the website of a Kansas agricultural concern and turned off all its windmills. The owner had left the system connected to the open internet without any password protections. Dropbox says no evidence of hack and investigation of spam. Dropbox's ongoing investigation into a possible security breach has not produced any evidence that its systems have been infiltrated, according to an update Friday to the company's user forum. DARPA funds hack machine you'd never notice. It may look like a surge protector, but it's really a remote access machine that corporations can use to test security and log into branch offices. Called the Power Pound, it's a stealthier version of the little box that can hack your network. This concludes CIC News for today. See you tomorrow.